Hey guys, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to talk about why your rugged display matters and what features it has makes fully rugged and semi-rugged laptops so special. Well, let's get right into it. The first obvious thing is the backing on a fully rugged Panasonic. As an example of CF31, you can see this thing is magnesium alloy. It is metal. We can push on it. It's not going to flex. You could drop something on top of this. It's not going to affect your screen. When you open it up, it's got this nice ridge around the outside that also protects it. And if you look here, how thick it is, it also has these rubber, plastic, I don't know if they're rubber or plastic bumpers as well, so that you get a little additional protection. And if you notice on the back here, take a look at how many screws keep this thing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10 screws, maybe a few more. I might have missed some. But what I'm pointing out is this is not a snap and connect Tinker toy or Lego. This is screwed in, really rigid, good material. If you look over here, this is a touchscreen unit. You can even tell the screen is not flimsy just by the sound it makes whenever you tap it. So, whenever we're talking about screens, we also need to talk about the type of touchscreen that you might have on your fully rugged laptop. So there's different kinds of touch. So basically you can use your finger. Everybody knows to use their finger on the touch screen. But also there's digital touch that will come with some units like the CF19 or the Getac V110, where you would have a stylus that had digital touch, so that whenever the stylus is near the screen, your hand does not, or finger does not affect the touch. Only the tip of the stylus will be the touch whenever it's a digital touch. Also, some other touch screen features would be when it's raining. So if I'm outdoors and it's misty, rainy, that affects standard touch laptops. But on the fully rugged military grade units, you can still use the touchscreen normally, even while rain is coming down on the screen. And keep in mind, this is IP65 rated, so it is water resistant. So there's a rubber seal that goes all the way around this screen, keeping the water from getting behind it. Another part is, let's say you're working outdoors and you have gloves on. This is a glove. Most touchscreens that you get in fully rugged laptops today are glove touch sensitive. So you'll be able to wear a glove and still use the touchscreen as normal. Those are some really interesting facts about this display. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.